of computer science engineering first year. Topic is of definition of string, declaration and initialization of strings. Introduction to strings. Strings are a data type used to represent text in programming. They are composed of a sequence of characters including letters, numbers and symbols. Understanding strings is crucial for text manipulation and data processing in software development. Definition of strings. A string is a sequence of characters treated as a single data entry. Strings can include space and punctuation, making them versatile for various applications. Different programming languages may have specific implementations and rules for strings. Characteristics of strings. Strings are immutable in some languages, meaning their content cannot be changed after the creations. In controls, other languages allow for mutable strings where characteristics can be modified. This length of a string can vary and it is often determined as runtime based on the input. Declaration of strings. Declaring a string involves specifying a variable to hold the string value. The syntax for declaration can vary between programming languages. Take as a string to Java or in a string in a Python. str in a Python. To declare a string, you typically assign it in a name and specify as a type if required by the language. Initializing the strings. Initializing a string means assigning it an initial value as the time of declaration. This is often done using quotes to enclose the string content, such as a string name is equal to zone. Some languages also allow for the multi-line string manipulation using special syntax or delimiters. String initialization examples. In Python, a string can be initialized using single or double quotes like a greeting is equals to hello world. In Java, strings are initialized with new keyboard or directly with quotes. The string message new strings welcome. C++ uses double quotes for string letters as is seen in a std string message is equals to hello. A program of to illustrate the strings. Source codes hashtag include stdio.h, integer mains, open brace, characters of student name, branch, city. Printf enter the name of a student. Scanf percentage and s student name. Printf enter branch of a student. Gets branch. Printf enter city of a student. Gets city. Printf student name, student branch and the student city. Printf slash n percentages student name slash n percentages branch slash n and the percentages of city. Open close brace. Output enter the name of a student, enter branch of student, enter city name of a student. Student name Satish Kumar, student branch CSM, student city Anantapur. String immutability versus the mutability. Immutable strings cannot be changed after they are created, affecting the memory management and the performance. Mutable strings allow for in-place identification, which can be more efficient in the certain inserts. Understanding the mutability of strings is essential for writing efficient and effective code. Best practices for using the strings. Always choose the appropriate strings type based on the requirements of your applications. Consider performance implementation when working with large strings or performing many operations. Using a built-in string functions to avoid common pitfalls such as a buffer overflow or memory leaks. Conclusion. Strings are a fundamental data type in programming essential for text manipulation. Proper declaration and initialization of strings are crucial to effective coding practices. Managing these string operation enhances your ability to handle text and data effectively in the software development. Thank you.